In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can find your BTC wallet address on your Binance app. So let's start the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your Binance app. After that, you will land on this page. So after landing on this page, what you have to do, you have to click on wallet option in the right corner, bottom corner. Then you have to click on deposit. So after doing so, you have to click on search and search for BTC. Okay. Then you will find this option called Bitcoin option. Then you have to select the network that the sender that you will receive the Bitcoin via this network. I'm choosing this network, Bitcoin network. Then you will find your wallet address, this option. You can pretty much copy this. You can copy this from here. Otherwise, you can scan this QR code and send it directly on your wallet. So this is how you can find your BTC wallet address on your Binance app. I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.